Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Story on piano, Richard Clayderman's easy guide. First, focus on the right-hand melody, starting with the iconic opening phrase. Then, introduce the left-hand chords, which are primarily simple triads. Practice each hand separately until comfortable, then slowly combine them. This foundational approach ensures a smooth learning process, building confidence as you progress through the piece. Once you have the basics, refine the right-hand melody by focusing on its expressive phrasing and dynamics. The left-hand harmony provides a rich foundation, so ensure your chords are clear and balanced. Practice slowly with a metronome, gradually increasing the tempo. This helps synchronize both hands and develops a steady rhythm, crucial for capturing the song's romantic feel. To truly bring Love Story to life, focus on adding expression. Vary your dynamics, playing softer in some sections and louder in others to convey emotion. The sustain pedal is essential for creating a rich, flowing sound, connecting the notes smoothly. Listen carefully to Richard Clayderman's original recording to understand his interpretation and phrasing, guiding your own performance. Consistent practice is key to mastering Love Story. Aim for several short, focused sessions each day rather than one long one. Recording yourself playing can be incredibly helpful for identifying areas that need more attention, like timing or dynamics. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be playing this beautiful piece with confidence and artistry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.